If you see the loose fuel cap warning in your Nissan, in the majority of cases the cap actually needs retightening, but the light will not disappear right after you do this. The control modules will need to make sure that there is no more EVAP leak in the system, so you may need to drive several miles. If this doesn't help, the second possible culprit is the broken cap. There is a seal in the fuel cap that can go bad and the cap may require replacement. If you decide to replace it, only buy the OEM cap, since the aftermarket ones are of very poor quality in most cases. And the third possible issue is the leak in the EVAP system that the computers in your car take for the cap problems. This may be a hole somewhere in the filler neck or even a gas tank, but I would check the purge valve and the EVAP canister vent valve. It's not a very common problem for Nissan cars, and you will most likely need professional help to diagnose those valves. But before you decide to invest money in fixing this problem, you may try disconnecting the battery for some time and resetting the codes. If the problem comes back after you drive several miles, there is certainly something wrong with the EVAP system.